This is Madian, located in Swat, and Swat is one of the cold areas of Pakistan. If you want to visit this city, so you can visit from Islamabad, which is the capital of Pakistan. So first of all, from Islamabad you will visit to Mingora city, which is the capital city of Swat. And from Islamabad to Mingora it will take 4 hours by road. When you reach to Mingora, you can then travel to Madian. It will take 1.5 hours by road. And this is a very beautiful city, and this is the starting point of cold areas in this region. Here you can find a number of hotels and restaurants and a number of places of tour, so you can explore the whole area, and all the facilities are available. It has a big city where you can find all the needs of life from A to Z, so you do not feel any difficulty in any respect, and you can buy everything. And you can find a number of hotels here, and people are friendly. They like interaction with foreigners or with other tourists come from other areas of Pakistan. And you can also buy a number of other stuff, for example clothes or utensils or fruit, vegetable, if you want to prepare food for yourself. And you can also buy ready-made food, and you can visit to different parts of Madian. Madian is basically a big city with a number of beautiful areas. For example, there is a beautiful park. The name of that park is Hatchery Park, just 1 kilometers away from the main city of Madian on Chel Road. And here is a number of other beautiful mountainous areas. I want to tell you about all of them, and these are the roads and streets of Madian city. Rooms in the hotels are cheap. For example, this is a room. I am single here, but this is a 2-bed room, and the rate of this room is only $5 to $6 per night. So you can take as a rent such a room with just $5 to $6 per night, and this is, I think, cheap. But if you go ahead, for example, to Bahrain or Kalam, the rooms are getting expensive. So this in this city you can find the cheapest rooms here in hotels, and it would be better to stay here for a few days and travel to Bahrain, Kalam, and to other areas, and then come for the night here, because the rooms are cheap here. And this room is with good location and scenery. You can see this is Hatchery Park, a visiting worthy place located near Madian on Chel Road. So this is another beautiful place, a visiting worthy place near to Madian on Bahrain Road, and you can visit here. The name of this place is the Gudar Restaurant. If you are interested in mountainous areas, so Madian is completely surrounded by lush green, beautiful mountains and flowing streams, so you can visit. And if you are fond of walking or trekking, so there is no any lack of these sort of activities, so you can walk or trek to different mountains. And people in the mountains are tourist friendly, they welcome to you, and they appreciate visitors, particularly from foreign countries, and they give great respect. But the tourist should take care of two things. One, about their religion, not to do any, not to say anything irrespective about the religion or culture. And secondly, these people are very sensitive about their families and females. So these two things are very important for all the tourists if they visit to all these northern areas, particularly in the hilly areas and in the mountainous areas. Otherwise, they like tourists to a great extent, and they sometimes invite tourists to their homes and give hospitality. So for that purpose, if you are living in Madian, so you can visit to different places, you can enjoy your life. And if you are fond of mountains or jungles or forests, so these sort of activities are available in abundance. This is a short video, an introductory video of this city, Madian. And then from Madian you can visit to Bahrain, just 9 kilometers away to the north of Madian, and then Kalam, which is 35 kilometers away from Bahrain. And then from Kalam you can visit to Kumrat, another tourist place. And from Kumrat you can also visit to Chatral, and then from Chatral you can come to the northern areas like Gilgit, Baltistan and other areas. So subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. I myself, I am a traveler, and I am a local traveler, so I visit to different areas and I provide actual information of these tourist places or tourist spots or visiting worthy places. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.